Hey guys, hello everybody. I
Hi
am
guys.
Pankar. I'm Mustafa. How are you guys?
Hi, hi, hi.
So we have crossed the halfway stage of IPL. We are on match 31 now, and we're clearly seeing a lot of trends have changed. Right? What has changed? I mean, initially a lot of captains after winning the toss they were electing to field and chase. Now they're electing to bat. Almost all of them, and possibly they've
Yeah,
seen the record that teams batting first have won more than 70% of the match, or 75% now. So that has changed. What has also changed is the nature of wickets. They're becoming progressively slower. So run making is not that easy. We've seen that the new ball now fetches more runs. Last mein runs banana, especially in the first innings, is not easy. Yesterday we saw Tewatia couldn't do a Tewatia, so that was a change. And what we are also seeing, we are on match 31, as I said, it is in Sharjah, and we've also seen कि शारजा में भी अब runs 225 का जो हिसाब किताब हो रहा था, that is no longer the case. Now we are obviously
yes.
seeing a score which is lower, and those are winning totals. So with that background, we are now match 31. It's between two teams which have had very different fortunes in this tournament. KXIP clearly, by all accounts, all of us think they're out of this tournament already, and that is a very sad scenario with so many matches to go. But they may do a Houdini act. Uh, you know, uh, they're trying to pull out a rabbit out of hat, which is Chris Gale, and hopefully he'll revive their fortunes. RCB, on the other hand, obviously they've done very well as compared to the last few years. Excellent bowling attack. So, are you ready, people? If there are any opening bites, very happy to take them very quickly. But then I
I
can move
think
on to the
even
questions.
if Gale plays today, I think it's a little too late for Punjab to even try him out. But I definitely think that today he might be tried because any which ways, what are the chances that they're going to be in the tournament any which way? So rather see all the combinations, pick all the combinations. Next year when they have to go to the auction, they can plan their team in a better way if they have to keep Gale or if they want to retain him or sell him off and trade him for some other player. So I think it's a little too late. And RCB is on a charge. Virat Kohli is now very aggressive. ABD is in form. Virat is in form. Patikal is giving his own, few runs here and there to help the team, give a good start. So I think they are a much better form team now. So it's going to be difficult to defeat them today.
Sure. Dipankar, you're happy with Particle and the way he's performed is like been pretty. I mean, his form has tapered off a little, but he has been one of the great young stars of this tournament, right?
Absolutely right. I mean, I have been his fan from match one onwards because see, it's his first tournament, major, where he's getting a chance to open, right?
Right.
And he has played all around the wicket. That's more important, than the other parameters you want to look. And T20 is not a game where you will always look for consistency. Every match may not be the same. It's not a 50 over test,
Right.
right? There will be games where you fall for lesser scores, but what's important is the intent,
Yeah.
the shot selection, right? And he looks quite matured at his age.
Sure.
He has a range of strokes, right? So I think he has a bright future, not just IPL, international as well.
Sure. And rather, I think one of your favorite players, Rahul, he may have to drop down from his opening position. He's done so well. It may very well happen if Gale plays that then Mayank and Gale will open. So, what are your feelings about it? Do you think he's still going to do as well as he's done in the opening position?
See, why do I look this sad today?
Why do you look so sad?
I don't know why I look sad. My KXIP is
It's
like,
on the verge of.
I honestly feel very sad for them. I think they had a good team. I don't know. The odds have just not been with them. Like this has happened with. I've seen this happen in the last season also. I think it was Mumbai Indians versus Kings 11 Punjab only, and Rahul took the match until like the 19th over, and in the last over, the other players came in and they just lost the match. I think they just merely needed some 8 to 10 runs, and
So
they
we've seen
just
that.
couldn't do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. It's been heartbreak after heartbreak, but rather, as you
Yeah.
know, for KXIP, they've suffered several heartbreaks for just one season. So let's hope for a great match. Let's
but
hope.
I still expect Rahul to play awesomely today.
Yeah. No,
Okay,
I'm
Rahul
absolutely.
will be awesome even today.
Yeah,
Okay.
no
Absolutely.
matter whatever position you
Now
put,
what?
I think Rahul has played different positions for India also, and he's always done well at all positions. I think he's a great batsman.
True
Doesn't
that.
matter what position he's playing at.
Okay, guys. All right. Yes. Okay. So I will jump straight into the questions and I'll start with you, Anuradha. Yes. So speaking of top orders, which top order you think will score more runs today? Is it going to be Finch, Padikkal, Kohli for RCB, or Mayank Agarwal, Gale, and Rahul for KXIP? What do you think?
Did you say Finch, Padikkal, and Kohli?
Yes, for RCB.
Not ABDV.
No, so I'm just talking of the top three. ABDV typically comes in at 4 or 5.
Four or five.
RCB.
RCB. More
Even though
confident.
Rahul didn't play very well.
Okay. Okay. Mustafa, what do you think?
I think I'm going to go with Punjab. I think Gale is coming in. He has that X factor. I know it's the riskier choice. Finch, Padikkal, Kohli have done well in a lot of matches. I think Rahul can do well. That is not a problem. Also plays well. I think Gale coming in. I think he might upset a few bowlers today.
Okay.
Especially RCB's bowling lineup is such that once they start getting hit, there is no end. Then they just like those run rates keep going higher and higher. So we've seen that before with RCB. So if Punjab can get a good start, I think they could be strong. So I'm going to go with Punjab today.
Okay. Dipankar, what do you think? You're on mute.
It's RCB.
RCB. Okay. Okay. You think they all of them look in great touch, great form?
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
So-
okay. Yeah.
2 out of 3, if you have to pick 2 out of 3, right? Chances of RCB is high because Gale is hit or a miss.
Yes.
Rahul, for some reason, is burdened with the captains. It seems, you can see that. Like Dhoni in the late years, right? He's not playing as KL Rahul after first couple of games, right? He's like, he has to stay till end. The strike rate is getting affected, and he's not able to put pressure on the opposition like the way he used to.
Right. Right. Okay. All right. Okay. So it's RCB for you then. Great. Moving on to the second question. Who amongst these batsmen you'll get 3 options will score at a higher strike rate today, and we are assuming minimum 20 runs. We got some explosive players. AB de Villiers, of course. What a fabulous tournament he's having. You've got Chris Gale. He'll want to make an impact immediately. And you've got Nicholas Pooran, who's made quite an impact. He's a very, very explosive player. So who do you think will score at a higher strike rate today, Dipankar?
Okay, it's starting with me.
Yes, I'm starting with you.
AB de Villiers. I mean, not just his ability, but also the opposition bowlers.
Okay.
Right? So both
Okay.
ways, it works out.
So it's a double whammy, you're saying, in a way. Okay. Okay. And Radha, what do you think?
ABDV.
Okay. ABDV all the way. I don't know if you're rooting for KXIP today, to be honest. I mean,
No, I'm no loyalties. I just had a softer corner for KXIP. For whatever reason, I thought they were good players, but
they are.
But of course, I mean, I love to watch cricket. So ABDV, absolutely. I always root for ABDV.
Mr. 360. Then what about you, Mustafa?
I'm going to go with Gale.
Chris
Like
Gale?
if my first answer is going to be the right one, then the second answer also will be right. Like in case if it's going to be right.
Okay.
If not, then both the answers are going to be
All
wrong.
the answers. All right. I think so. Thank you for not making my question irrelevant. Otherwise, if I'd chosen AB de Villiers, this question was irrelevant, right?
But still looking forward to Gale playing.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's just fun to watch him bat. If he gets going, then it's just too much fun to watch.
You guys were going crazy with Stokes coming in,
Oh,
right?
yes. I mean,
think Gale coming
they
in
should have won yesterday's match, to be honest. I mean, just digressing a little. They should have won yesterday's match. It's just ridiculous that Rajasthan lost yesterday's match. But anyway, okay. Question 3, I'll start with you, Mustafa. How many wickets will the spinners of RCB pick up today? You've got Washington Sundar and Chahal, both of them in great form. You've got
And both of them bowl in the power plays itself. So
Yeah, so
that's
you've
a
got
great
3
advantage.
options. Yeah, you've got 3 options. Up to 2, 3 to 4, and 4 plus. What is your pick?
I think 3 to 4 wickets. I think they are they are very reliant on Sundar and Chahal to do well, and they have been performing. They have Sundar is coming in the power plays and getting wickets, like where the fast bowlers are getting wickets, the spinners coming in taking the wicket. So that's a good sign for them. So I think 3 to 4 wickets they could take. Yeah.
Take care. All right, Dipankar.
Yeah, I would also say I would rather, it is less than 2 and 3 to 4, right? So where does 2 go in then?
No, it's up to 2. Up to 2.
2, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so up to 2, I would say. It's Sarja, so I don't know how much of an impact. The Wizards go for 6. So probably, I don't know. I'll just go with 2.
Okay. Anuradha?
3 to 4.
Okay. All right. Okay. You know that when Dipankar predicts anything, there are no chances of getting
never
that
like
right.
that.
Really, I should just
Most of these predictions go wrong,
We'll see. I will see that. We've been seeing you've been topping all the leaderboards.
Then I hope you're keeping a track of our predictions. I really want to know the results at the end of the tournament.
We are. I mean,
we have to hire a team to do this now.
all right.
This
Okay.
is the 31st match. Oh God.
Yeah, we need to do some job about it, of it rather. Okay, Anuradha, the fourth question, I'll start with you. Which all-rounder will have the biggest impact on today's match? Shivam Dube, Glenn Maxwell, I know he's not been doing great, but he can fire, and Washington Sundar. So which of these three you think will make a bigger impact as an all-rounder?
I have a question for you. Why not Chris Morris in the options?
Chris Morris, the problem with that is he's not getting too many chances to bat. That is the whole problem. I mean, RCB, one, they have a fabulous batting lineup. And, he bats at number 7 or number 8. He bats lower than Washington Sundar.
Same for Sundar, isn't it?
Yeah, at least he's coming immediately after Shivam Dube. So at least he's coming ahead of Chris Morris, and he'll bowl 4 overs. So,
Okay,
so
my choice among these three is Washington Sundar.
Okay, Mustafa.
I think I'm going to go with Shivam Dube. I've seen him bat and connect a few big ones. I think he does well. And bowling was also average. So I think I can go with Dube. I think Maxwell, see if you're looking for Gale to play, don't you think Maxwell might be dropped?
No, I think they may drop one of the bowlers. They may drop Sheldon Cottrell from what I know.
I think that's a mixed bag. I'm not sure. I feel like they could also drop Maxwell. I know he's a high impact player, but he's just not being able to get those runs scoring. So that's why I'm going to go with Shivam Dube.
Okay. You're going with, Shivam Dube. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Dipankar.
Same answer, Shivam Dube.
Okay.
Small ground, better chances of doing, well. Washington Sundar, I don't know how much he'll bat. Bowling looks like, it's law of averages that might catch up with him today. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah, I think you've got some lefties, some aggressive lefties in KXIP. You've got Nicholas Puran, you've got Chris Gale. So, yeah. Okay. All right. Mustafa, I'll start the fifth question with you.
Sure.
So, how many runs will be scored by KXIP in the last 5 overs? And bear in mind, one, it is Sharjah, but of course, the runs have also come down. So, you've got 3 options up to 50. You've got 50 to 60 and 60 plus. What's your pick?
Depends. They're chasing or if they're opening. I think up to 50 would be a safe bet. Like that is something that every team is going to score for sure. Like up to 50 runs is, I think,
it's par for the course. It's par for the course. Okay. All right. Dipankar.
50 to 60. Although I would agree, it depends. They're chasing or they're batting first. Depends on the scenario as well. But yeah, 50 to 60.
So last 5 overs yesterday, Delhi Capitals, when they were batting first, and when you had all the license to hit big, right? They scored. They lost a lot of wickets. So it's a matter of how many wickets you lose. I think they managed only 30 odd runs.
Yeah, very. They scored more from 11 to 15 than from 15 to 20.
Yeah.
See, the problem nowadays, what's the trend nowadays is, one is the wicket slows down, the ball becomes softer, right? That
Yes,
is,
ball becomes soft. Exactly.
Dubai is a bigger ground. And third is most teams, now they have earlier what Mumbai Indians used to do with Bumrah or KKR used to do with Narine, right?
Right.
Teams are having the best bowlers, ball at the death.
At the
At the
death.
death, yeah.
They've identified the bowlers for the death.
Right.
They ball even 3 to 4, consecutive overs.
Yeah.
So all that combined, and if you are chasing, the pressure of chase always gets on you, right? Gets big on you. So all that combined, I think is responsible for that dip in the run rate in the last 5 overs. But Sharjah, there are chances,
Oh, 50 to 60. Okay.
Dubai, obviously, it's less than 50, very safe.
Okay. Anuradha, what do you think?
Up to 50.
Okay. All right. We're all getting conservative. It's so interesting that as the tournament is progressing, we're all becoming conservative when it comes to run scoring.
Yeah, start of the tournament, we were all three would have been 60 plus for sure.
Okay, Dipankar, the final question will start with you then. So who's your pick for today's match, KXIP or RCB?
RCB.
Okay, and there's no doubt in your mind, right? I mean,
no doubt, and I want RCB to win as well. They have been among the top 3 teams. They look good. When they look good,
they're one of the better teams out there.
Some of the players are like really good.
Yeah, indeed. Anuradha, are we going against it?
RCB.
This is because you're predicting and not wishing. This is not wishful thinking, right?
Not wish.
Okay.
But then I keep saying you never know in cricket.
Of course, you'd never know.
Yeah, I'm just hoping to watch a cracker of a match, to be honest, and not a very lopsided, one-sided thing. Okay,
Indeed.
It's a very close match will be nice.
Yes.
RCB will be most likely to win, but I'm just hoping for a good match. I mean, KXIP should perform.
Okay. All right. Okay. And Mustafa?
I'm going to go with Punjab. That's where my answers have mostly been.
So he is banking big on Gale, right?
Yes, supporting the underdog.
You're banking.
Yeah, because it's just disheartening to see them just win one match. And I think there are 3 matches in which they've come really close and they've lost.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I'm rooting for them. Also, it'll be more interesting for the points table if RCB loses, because then they'll have 3 losses as against to 2 losses. So it'll be fun to watch. Then them get more competitive in the next few games. So I feel they're going to be a little confident, obviously, for this game. But I think Punjab can upset any team on their good day for sure.
Okay.
They have the firepower for sure.
Great. All right then, people. Thank you so much for your predictions. Let's see how the match unfolds. And as Anuradha said, we are all hoping for a cracker of a match, because that is what sets up pulses racing. That is what gets us in the mood to watch more and watch till the end. And hoping you all get into the mood to predict while you watch. Predict on Play CKC and continue playing and beat Dipankar, who's our topper, who's our absolute leader.
Number 1 leaderboard for IPL tournament
Totally.
2020.
All right, people. Thank you so much, Dipankar.
It's better than fantasy.
It's better than fantasy. Bye, people. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Have a nice match.
Bye.